What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, creating a cartoon illustration of WALL-E. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the outside edge of the head. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. Now from this point, we're just going to angle this up and out towards the left, towards the top. Go back to the center, go up and out towards the right, towards the same height. Now from the top, we're just going to slope the eyes, coming down and then out toward the outside of the head. And do the same thing on the right. Now from here, we're just going to round at the bottom and come back in toward that center point. We're going to start with the left, going out, come down towards the bottom, and then pull that up in the middle. Now we're just going to mirror this over on the right, coming down, rounding out the eye, come around, and then in towards the top. Let's trace each of these shapes along the inside. And then on the inside, we're going to draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start on the left at the very top. We're going to step down, going all the way around, and then back up towards the top. Let's draw the same size circle on the right. So just going to line this up, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a thin frame along the inside. So just going to trace each of the circles, going all the way around. And we'll add a small highlight circle along the top of each eye. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes. You want to go around that highlight. Let's add some rivets around the eyes. Start from the very top, add one small circle, go to the outside, add another one, and we add one more along the bottom. Now I just want to draw the underside of the eyes. Let's start right in the middle with a straight line coming down in between. Let's go to the outside on the left, come down, come around, and just pull that up toward that center line. Let's go around the right side, and then bend that up towards the side. Let's add a small detail on the side, angle this down and out, curve around the eye, and then in, and then come straight in towards the side. Now we're going to work our way down the neck in the center. Let's start with a straight line going in between the eyes, pull that straight up, and then in the center, draw another line. Let's draw two small lines along the inside. Add a longer line going across. Now I'm just going to round this out like a bracket, and then close off the bottom. Let's draw two straight lines coming down the center. Step in, draw two lines going down, and we'll close this off. Now you want to draw a tube going out along the side. Let's start on the left, bend this out and then up, come down, draw that again. Let's add a little bit of texture inside that pipe. Just going to add these little curves going all the way across towards the top. Now just underneath this bar, we're going to step down, draw a long line going across the top of the body. Let's go back to the side, draw two short lines going out, and then come straight down on top. Now we want to draw a rectangle for the body. Starting from the top, straight down towards the bottom, and then we'll close this off. Let's draw a line going across the top. And then from the top corners, step down, draw a line coming in, and go up. Let's add 2 small squares along the inside and the center. So start with 2 lines coming down, go across the top and the bottom, and then close off the side. Let's add a bumper along the bottom corners, starting on the inside, going in, come down towards the bottom, come straight in, and then back down. Let's add 3 lines going across the top of the body. Now we're going to draw in the tire treads. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, angle this down and then out. Do the same thing on the right. It's going to round up the bottom, go up with an angled line underneath the body. Let's go up to the top, draw a straight line going out. Let's draw another straight angled line coming down towards the bottom. And round up the tire and come straight in. Let's add some horizontal lines going all the way up towards the top to separate the treads. Now going back up to the top, we're going to stretch the arms out towards the sides. Let's start with the hands. We're going to start from the top, draw a straight angled line going across the top of the hands. Come down and in, and close off the bottom. From the bottom corners, we're going to come down and in, and then flatten this off. Let's separate the center of the hands with a straight line. Let's connect the hands to the body. In the top corner, we're going to step down, angle this down and in towards the side of the body. Step down and draw that again. Now I want to separate the wrist with a curve on either side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of WALL-E. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.